Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office here in Texas. And today we're going to be unboxing Luxury Divas box. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, this is actually my very second box from Luxury Divas, and I am super excited to share this one with you. For those of you who don't know, Luxury Divas is a monthly subscription box which you can get for 3 months, you can get for 6 months, you can get for 12 months, or you can just buy one box a month, so you don't have to be committed to that. So the one box, if you don't want the commitment, if you start seeing different YouTube videos each month and you like that specific box, you can totally just get the one box is $35, and then the ones, if you commit to the monthly subscription, those turn out to be $30. I will put my discount code below, or you'll probably see it somewhere here, not too sure, but I'll give you a $5 coupon code off your very first box. I have my name basically is a coupon code, so it's Lynette. If you use Lynette, you'll get $5 off. So totally awesome. I'll put their information below so that you guys can take a look to see if this is for you. The reason why I like this box is because it's just one price, and you get to keep everything that is inside the box. So you guys see, this is a very big box, so it's not a small thing, but it has a variety of different products, and that's what makes me love it. So stop talking, Lynette, let's just get into the box, right? And if you guys have any questions about anything, please let me know, because I can totally help you out. So as I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Let me move over. As I open up the box, this is what it has. It has tissue paper, and it actually has a description of some things that were the favorites that you can get within the website. So they have a website and you get a discount. So it's a little booklet. That is Deborah. She is from the company, so that is very cute. And then let me see. The very first thing I see is a Luxury Divas. I believe this was a mint box. I saw this on another channel. Yep, and this is a box for mints. I can tell you right now, my 18-year-old is gonna steal this, so hopefully I can throw this in my purse before she sees it. So let us dive in, and you guys are going to see exactly what came in this box. And let's see. So this is how the box looks, and give me a second, I'll show you guys this too. Okay, so the very first thing that is in here is the curator information and their note. Every month they give you a personalized note. My box was made from Marina, so thank you, Marina, for making my box. Love it. I could already tell because I liked last month, so thank you. Last month was a different person, and actually I love that one. So this one says, hi Lynette. Well, hello Lynette, April's box is here and I love it. Hopefully you loved March's box and will love this one too. I have a chic and trendy style too, so I think you'll like this one. And that's funny because I think I put that in my last video. I put those two words, chic and trendy. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Enjoy your box, Luxury Divas. So that was very nice. Thank you guys. And this is what I like too, because it gives you the total, so I don't have to do the math. So this box retails at $132. So $132 is the total of my box. So let's get into it already. So the very first thing I see here is this, so you guys can take a look at that. And what this is an ivory stone beaded 3-layer bracelet, and I actually don't have a bracelet this color, so that's very nice. And what is this? So this is a Tree of Life bracelet. Oh, I see it, here it is, because I did see someone else. So comes with this, that's an infinity, and then this is a Tree of Life. So hold on, I'll use my left hand so you guys can see it properly. All right, there you go. So, okay, so the Tree of Life, where are you? Tree of Life represents our past, present, and future in family, love, and life. Warmly embrace this thought each time you wear these beautifully stacked bracelets. Add your favorite silver bangles, cuff, or charm bracelets with the set to create completely designer inspired look. This has a retail value of, hold on, where are you? Oh, $23. Sorry, I was looking at the stuff wrong. So I'm actually leave this on. I like it. I believe I know they do ask for your beauty profile, and I think I did put that silver was my favorite because I always have silver jewelry. My wedding ring is silver. Actually, today's my wedding anniversary, so happy anniversary. But yeah, this would go with everything that I have. So definitely love it. I'm actually trying to fix it. Yeah, I like this. I can see myself wearing this because I like it. And then the very next thing I see in the box, let me put this up to the side, is a sheer summer scarf with lace print bow. I still have to look at some videos. Actually, this matches what I have on today. That's crazy. I didn't know what was in this box. I had no idea. So this is a sheer, you guys can see that. This is I'll put this up so you guys can see. This retails for $17. This is a sheer summer scarf with lace print bow. This lightweight scarf is beautifully striped with a watercolor style pattern. It purposely oversized to allow endless possibilities of how you can wear it. And tip, accessorying the summer scarf instantly makes your outfit more chic, stylish, deliberate. Consider you're using a contrasting color scarf to boost your look of confidence. So this is cute. Like I said, I definitely love that they're sending us things that I don't mind wearing, but I wouldn't go out purposely to purchase. So I can definitely, I like that it's already tied up so I don't have to have confusion. So that one again is a retail value of $17. And then the very next thing we have here is a animal print purse umbrella. Actually, it rains a lot here in Texas. It'll rain and then it'll stop, so I can definitely see myself using this. This one is a retail value of $12. And we know accessorizing doesn't stop with clothing and jewelry. Worry not, we've got you covered with this purse-size animal print umbrella. Tip, this umbrella is perfect for travel and commuting. It's small enough to throw in your bag and save you in a pinch. Need it because I need to put one in my car, which I never do. So the very next item I see here, okay, this is from Oakland Designs. This is an Ultimate Look Pro Oakland Strobing Kit. So you guys can see that there. And then let me open it up so you guys can see it too. So that's the cover. And then this is the palette. And this is a bronzer blush highlighting strobing kit. So Lynette, how do you open this? Okay, all right. Oh, there was tape, so that's why. See, nothing's wrong with me. So let me move this over. I'm gonna leave the plastic over it so you guys can see the colors. Actually, I'll just take it off real quick. Not gonna swatch it. Okay, so those are the colors. And the light was a little bright, so it throws the colors off. So it's not, there you go. So this is highlight and contour like a pro with this unusually flat, universally flattering strobing palette, softly pigmented and easily blended. Get ready to accessorize your summer tan with these contours. Blush and highlight shades. Tip, once highlighting is complete, add a tiny touch of the same highlight to the arches of your eyebrows. This one has a retail value of $20, and if I didn't say the umbrella was $12, I'm not too sure if I did or I didn't. So this one that's pretty cool. I don't mind getting more bronzer because I think I just have the one I have from Morphe that Ipsy gave me, so that's perfect. And then the next thing I see here is this is a wallet, and I actually don't remember the last year that I've replaced my wallet, so this is very definitely welcomed. And this wallet, this is a long plaid wristless wallet, and I'll let you guys see that. Freshen up your handbag with a new wallet that also doubles as a wristlet. Plenty of credit card slots, zippered enclosure, keeps everything in place, even fits your smartphone. Yeah, that's handy. So this one has a retail value of $34. Let me take that out so you guys can see the inside. Very cool. This is nice. A lot of things I like, I think I mentioned in another video before, I don't like to carry my purse a lot of times because you just want to go out there. So that would definitely come in handy for me. And the very last item I see here is a turquoise floral crochet trim tunic. So this is how it is. You guys can see that. And that's the top. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the photos so that you guys can see that. Let me make sure. There it is. That one has a retail value of $28. Flowing in floral, this tunic style top features a lace detail at the neckline. Pair with your favorite shrug and ready for whatever your day brings. So that is the value of this one. So I will definitely try this on so that you guys can see. You're probably seeing it side by side, and then I will try that on. You probably see it. If I give it a thumbs up, that means it fit, loved it, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I decided to leave this top on. I love the way that it looked. As you can see, it fit me perfectly. I say they are definitely true to size. I know with another subscription box that I actually have on a monthly basis, I know you have to go up one size. This one, definitely it's whatever size you are, let them know that that's a size. So overall, I say that this was a definite plus, especially I'm on a 3-month subscription, so I paid already for I prepaid for my 3 months. I would definitely see myself, so far this is my second box, I definitely see myself sticking with this subscription. Again, you're for the price, you're getting, for me, the retail value of everything that I received, which is everything in this photo. It came to $132. So for me, the value was there for me because these are things that I could use in my wardrobe and I can use in my makeup or accessories, especially the wallet. I needed a new wallet. So for me, this definitely won. So do you get Luxury Divas? What did you get? Are we box twins? What was your favorite product? If you don't and you have any questions, let me know. I'll put their information below, but so far it definitely, I would recommend this subscription box if you're looking for a mixture of just not beauty, but you're looking for, you know, clothing and you're looking for accessories that they'll send you. And I'll also put the link to the very first box that I received last month so that you guys can take a look just to kind of compare the 2 months so far that I've gotten. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we will see you on the next video.